Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Connoisseur here. Getting ready to do another video review for you. This is going to be somewhere in the 60s of my reviews. I've done more than 60 kava reviews now over the past 6 to 7 years on my first Connoisseur blogspot site and now independent viewer supported. Thank you very much. Connoisseur.com website. I'm really excited today because I have a new kava from a new vendor. The vendor is Bilo or Bilo. I'm not sure what the pronunciation is. And the type of kava is a Fijian Waka, a premium Waka, which is a lateral root kava. It's got really nice packaging, a really good resealable bag. Some of the resealable bags aren't all that great. It's great when they actually put a resealable latch or whatever you want to call it on a bag. This is a Fijian product, just like Kava Time. They have that same symbol. This is Fijian product, probably most importantly, or not most importantly, but conveniently, this is available on Amazon.com. And if you decide that you want to buy this, I'll have a link set up at the end of this review. And if you click on it, 6% of your purchase will come to support my website. So that would be greatly appreciated. I have tried this already. I really enjoyed it. 2017 is early, but it looks like it's going to be another big year for Fijian kavas. 2016 was, the year of Fijian kavas. In my opinion, we had Kava Time come in with tons of really good Fijian kava. Commonwealth Kava kept providing us with a lot of great Fijian kava. Kavafied, so many vendors. Squanch, of course, provided a lot of great kava throughout 2016. And now 2017, we have a new vendor, and I'm really excited to give you my thoughts on this premium Waka from Fiji. And without further ado, I'm gonna make this and give you some notes on the flavor, and then do the normal thing, drink a bunch of the kava, and then an hour or so later come back and tell you how it makes me feel. So made me feel, will make me feel in the future tense. All right, Bilo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've shaken up about 3 heaping tablespoons of Bilo, Fiji's premium Waka, and I'm going to give you my impressions on its palate. Instead of Master Chef, it's a Master Connoisseur, and I'm here to judge the contestants. Bula. Use my right hand. Bula. Excellent. For something that you can get on Amazon, this is fantastic. I can tell it's going to give me a lot of washes because it's got that thick, that really thick kind of grittiness to it, viscosity, which is always a good sign with a kava when you knead it or shake it the first time. If the kava is really thick and you can feel it and it's not watery, and you've used a few tablespoons, and you can get a second or third wash out of it, you're getting way more bang for your buck because you're buying this I believe is a half pound. You're buying a half pound of kava, but you're getting twice as much out of the kava itself because you're able to use it multiple times. It doesn't have that kind of fluffy, porous, kind of woody or chippy. It doesn't have that texture to it where when you knead it loses all of the kava lactones really quickly, and then there's nothing left for a second wash. So that's always a very good thing, and this stuff has it. And by the way, when I saw this on Amazon, I was blown away because I was wondering, for $22, and on Amazon, that's that's a really good deal because the shipping is so cheap. For $22, you get a bag of kava like this. So yeah, really good value, and really easy way to order it and get it for a good price. And yeah, I can feel it in my lips, my tongue, my mouth, my throat. A nice gentle numbing effect. I can almost already feel it washing over my nerves, kind of moving down from my head to my limbs and my legs. So I'm gonna keep drinking it, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts when I'm all done with that. All right. Bula. All right, so in terms of strength, the stuff hit me really, really hard. I mean, I have an empty stomach. Today's inauguration day, and I couldn't really get much of an appetite for anything, to be honest. So I just had some breakfast, and now it's around 3, and I drink the kava around 2, and 2:15, 2:30, something like that, and it hit me really, really hard. Almost to the point where I was like, sometimes you drink kava and you get that kind of like a numb feeling in your extremities, and a little bit of like a low or a significant drop in blood pressure. And I got that from it, and at first it was kind of like woo, and then I recovered from that, and now I'm feeling great. Just really rolling deep with the Fijian Waka, and it's very, very calming and sedating and relaxing, and I attribute those initial kind of first effects of the low blood pressure drop feeling to my empty stomach more than I do the kava itself. I've had that same feeling from so many different cultivars and vendors, and from gourmet Hawaiian kava to kava-fied to knock 'em all at home. So I'm not really too worried about that. But yeah, no, it's really really strong. For having only 2.5 to 3 heaping tablespoons, it's pretty significant, the effects, the kind of immediate effects it had. So really good stuff. Certainly for $22 you're getting more than your bang for your buck. That's Bilo, Fiji's premium Waka. Kavasur is crunked. I'm going to continue crunking, probably eat something first though, so I don't get that immediate drop in blood pressure or whatever it is. Bula to the hula, as Kapitan Bastos would say, and bula to the vula, as I would say, the vula. And I'll catch you guys next time on the around the next turn. Hopefully, we get further away from the inauguration, things smooth out. Hopefully things smooth out. And all right, love you guys. Peace in the kava world. Noble only kava. Remember that. We're looking for noble only marketplace so that we can have a positive experience for people coming to kava, a positive reputation for kava, and a respect for the laws of Vanuatu and other countries that export kava to us. And so that's it. And I'll catch you guys next time. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be reviewing next. I'm looking at some Bula Kava House, possibly, to review. But the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a strainer versus alu ball review, where I'm going to take the same amount of kava, put it in an alu ball, put it in a strainer, and then compare the effects. So that should be interesting. So you got that to look forward to. All right, everybody, Bula. Catch you next time.